Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. So this following video is based on how you can log in into your online banking account of Bank of New York Mellon. Before we get started, make sure that you already have an account, otherwise you'll not be able to log in into your account. Also, the process is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to follow the step, and then by the end of this video you will learn how to log in into your online banking account of Bank of New York Mellon. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. Once you open up your web browser, in the search box type in the link, that is www.bnymellon.com. In case if you're confused regarding the link, you can find it on my description box below. As you type in the link on the other page, you will be directed into the official site. So over here on this following page, in the top right corner, you can see client access. Tap on it. So as you tap on it, on the other page, this kind of interface might appear on the computer screen, so you can go through it. In order to log in, you can see there is NEXEN Portal in the left hand side corner, and under it tap on access. As soon as you tap on it, on the other page you will be directed into the login page. You can see in the right hand side corner there is a login page. So out here you'll have to provide your login information. So then make sure to enter the correct user ID that is associated with this following bank account. Once you're done, tap on password in the second step, and once you're done entering your information, make sure to review it once again. In case you are confused or if you're not sure about your password, what you can do is simply tap on the eye icon in the corner. Once you're done entering all your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. As you tap on it, on the other page you will successfully land inside your Bank of New York Mellon account. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.